All right, guys, we're here at our Airbnb right off Lake Como. Now, there's our house right there. Got some stairs. Let's roll down. There's a little balcony right there. It's got around, I think, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's got a little elevator if you're old. Go do a crib style MTV intro for Airbnb. Here we go. Let's close this sucker here. It's quite dark in here, but we got some nice views right over here. Excuse me. Oh, there it is. Not too shabby. We got a TV in a very bizarre spot right there. Here's balcony number 1. There's a downstairs that leads to a swimming pool with no water in it, but that's okay. We got the lake, but I don't think you're not allowed to swim in it. But anyways, there you guys have it. This is our Airbnb. We got a pretty good deal. I think it's like $217 or $18 a night. It's got around, what, 4 or 5 bedrooms. This is downstairs, upstairs. Here's a master bedroom. Boom, it's got its own bathroom. Whammy, check that out. Another balcony right here for the master bedroom. Let's open this sucker up. Boom. We're in business, guys. This is our humble abode for the next few days, guys. The view right here is just absolutely stunning. It just takes my goddamn breath away, guys. And Villa d'Este is actually across the lake that way. So we're gonna head on out, check out the show. All right, we're back at Villa d'Este. This is the day of the show. Now all the cars have been brought out into the sunlight here, all parked up. Got live music, beautiful weather. So let's take a quick look around at some of the cars that we missed yesterday. Mainly the SP38, which is located right over there, along with the other concept cars. So let's get to business, guys. Currently walking through one of the dining facilities here at the Villa d'Este Hotel. We're gonna take a quick look at the menus later and the prices. Are you guys ready for some real sticker shock? Be prepared, guys. GFG Concept Sibylla? I think I'm mispronouncing that. Not entirely sure. Massive canopy in the front here. We got another concept car, the Essentia by Genesis. Ooh, family photo. All right. Doors go up. Ooh, look at that forged carbon fiber. Whoa. All right. I see what you guys are doing there. So we got a couple of BMWs all lined up here. This is an M4 with a wing, but they're a huge sponsor of the Villa d'Este show. Now we got 50 of the world's greatest cars going to be passing through here, all around here, and back into the garage that way. So 8 categories, 50 classic cars. Oh, and we got the SP38 just chilling by itself without a cover. 250 short wheelbase. Nice. Oh, it's pulling in. Yeah. Hold on, here we go. Photo op. Perfect. There we go. Waiting for a couple cars to roll through. We got the temperature. Check out these gauges. Yeah. Pretty damn fancy here at Villa d'Este. Wait. Holy shit, it's Darth Vader. Villa d'Este. Yeah. What the? That's the last thing I expected to see at this show. Darth Vader. OG subscribers will remember where the Phantom 1 of 1, which I'm not really sure what it is, but the Sweptail was unveiled here last year at Villa d'Este. Now this year's theme is Hollywood on the Lake, so maybe that's why Darth Vader made an appearance here, so who knows. Got the racing, the BART rolling through here, guys. There we go. Models too. It's like a catwalk. All right. Man, missing out the entire show, just hiding in the back, guys. I messed up. I apologize. The show is pretty much over. We gotta find a few cars lined up here for the parade. But like I said, tomorrow is gonna be a lot better. Fewer people. Well, we got all of the winners lined up here. There's 8 categories. There's 6 cars, 2 categories left. Check this out. Yeah. This is sick. Wow. Bird tone. These are the winners here from each category. I can't remember every category, but there are 8 categories, 50 cars. There it is, doing the gold trim for quite some time. Check this out. The OG Arab spec Rolls Royce. Holy smokes, look at that. Ooh. It's causing quite the ruckus over there. A couple more cars and today's show will be over, guys. Oh, by the way, the hat game here at Villa d'Este is on point. Yes. A lot of nice hats, a lot of nice cars, baby. Another day at Lake Como, I suppose. I like how prepared this guy. He's got the headphones. Wow. Oh, he's got headphones too. Holy shit. And the gloves. Got the 2 thumbs up. No, up, down, up. Hey. Hey. Yes. It's been a long day. I'm just gonna chill on this bench here, right next to this fantastic looking gondola here. Much better, guys, much better. I'm currently just chilling inside the Villa d'Este hotel. It's a luxury hotel. It's actually 145 years old, and the decor inside kind of reflects the age, but it's quite nice. It's air conditioned. Been chilling at this sofa right over here for quite some time, waiting for the SP38 to move. So let's go back out and check it out. All right, we got a quick look at the snack selection at the Lake Terrace. We're looking at 32 euros for a beef hamburger, 30 euros for a club sandwich, and 27 euros for a salad. Oh, we got a fresh fruit salad for what? 21 euros? These are the prices here at the Villa d'Este Hotel, man. No mucking around. Overall winner right here, the Alfa Romeo Tipo 33 Stradale. There it goes. 1 of 10. Damn. Well done. Unrestored, 700 kilometers, guys. Best in overall show. Jeez. Mirror SV. It's currently 7 in the morning, guys. It's a little bit gloomier today, but I dressed for the occasion as per usual. But we're currently here at Villa d'Este. Cars are, like I mentioned yesterday, driving from here, a couple kilometers down the road to Villa Erba, where the public show begins. Fun factoid, while we wait for some of the cars, we got an abandoned XJ right here that's been sat here for 20 or so odd years. Sucks. The sickest car here. Yeah. Making the treacherous trek 1 kilometer away to Villa Erba. Got the DB5 rolling through here, guys. James Bond 007, baby. Here goes the Lancia. The GFG Sibilla. Alpha is making another round, and I'm just sat on the bench being lazy. Oh, here it comes. Hold on. Wait. Beautiful. Yes. All right, and that kind of wraps up for today's Villa d'Este show. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, guys. Gonna get my backpack up here, and stay tuned for more content in Europe. I'm here for another week and a half. So that being said, enjoy today's videos. Give it a like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. And let's roll. See you guys later.
See you next year. Thank you.
Alfa Romeo Tipo.
33 stradale.
33